If you've got a mobile dent repair service and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple website for your mobile dent repair service. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed at all. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, the mobile auto dent repair. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell multi-site a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my details over here, my city and my state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue. Let multi-site build a simple website for me with information I've just popped in. And there you have it. It literally did so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images or maybe some auto dents you have repaired before and after photos you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content as well to make it more personalized to your business. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Even if you're not that tech savvy, you don't need to hire someone to help you with this. And you don't need to know any sort of website coding skills at all. Gone are the days where you need to know any website coding to create a website. Enter multi-sites. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number. That is click to call. Now, obviously, you're a mobile service. You might not have a physical location, so you can leave this off. But if you do happen to have a physical location as well, pop it in over here. Customers can actually click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section, browse your device to upload that logo. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com or hatchful.com. Personally use both myself, and they're really great if you don't have a huge budget for a logo designer. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, save here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. With multi-sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors for you. I think this color is pretty palette is pretty fitting, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change it. Click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just scroll through the various color palettes available for you to use. Our website's absolutely looking fantastic. Now, for each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through that photo library, hundreds of images. As I said, they're all completely free to use. Otherwise, you now have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those images if you do have an Instagram profile. And update action is where you can change that button. The text currently says get free estimate. You can change that. You can also choose where the button's linked to, even uploading a PDF file, maybe with your various rates and different services. Under each update content is where you can perhaps make it a little bit more personalized to your business. Let your customers know your story and how your business came to be. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can reach out to you here. You can keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, click on that button as well. You do have the option to purchase a custom domain through our platform as well. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building websites on our platform, and really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget the thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel.